Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 5C channel. If you like cats, if you like calisthenics, if you like cardio workout, if you like classic cars and cycling, you are on the right channel. People always ask me why I like classic car.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
This episode, we're gonna cycle to Kallang for the classic car meetup. Heard this gonna be very exciting because there's gonna be a car booth sale. This is my first time checking out the car booth sale happening in Singapore. I very steady one, strictly CC look, no buying.
You sure about that?
And we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
All drum, four-wheel drum, and this is the wheel drums are in the front and rear for the drum brakes.
Oh, carburetor also have.
This is the proof that my car was used in World War II. Check out the Volkswagen Military Vehicle book.
Oh yeah.
Original one.
Yes.
Eh? The thing.
Wow, there's my car. How much you bought the book?
10. All the books are 10.
Nice. Okay lah, you after 15 years you sell me back.
They also have a Porsche 356 parts there.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay.
This one they bolt it right below your sump. Take out your sump, bolt this one up, so it gives you more oil.
Oh,
So that it doesn't overheat as easily lah. More oil reservoir, larger volume of oil.
oh.
This one also Jeanberg.
Mine's a Volkswagen thing.
It's supposed to fix all the Volkswagen. Supposed to fix all the Volkswagen. So instead of pressing the thing down, right, this one is for the reverse. To
Oh.
engage the reverse lock. Brand new bushes, all nothing haven't been installed.
What's your best price? I know it's very cheap already.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Auto one just bought. No, this is the
Manual one.
Fix for my bicycle.
Ui.
No lah. Okay.
Guess the price. Dog sold him. You got it, but you bought a bit cheaper.
This cool, man.
Huh?
Jeanberg shifter for VW.
Nice, right?
The American.
Nice.
And a flashback.
You today didn't draw your thing.
My thing. No COE today.
My name Shelby.
Oh, okay.
Strictly CC look, no buying.
Strictly CC look, no buying.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Here you go, sir. Thank you.
Nice.
Wow.
Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, do consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. See you soon. Ciao.